Welcome to the CCLI Reviews channel, where I give you an up-close and personal look at all sorts of products you can find online, from wireless keyboards to lawn sprinklers and just about everything in between. Then I give you my honest opinion of them. If you're curious, CCLI stands for Cord Cutters LI, my parent channel where thousands of people have learned to save money on their cable bill. But here at CCLI Reviews, it's all about the products you're interested in. So if you're ready to see what I have to show you today, sit back, relax, and let's go. Alright, today we're taking a look at a Bluetooth Numeric Keypad from Lekvey. They sent me this product for review. I'm really impressed with the design. It looks and feels like metal to the touch. It's really well made, well constructed. It's fully plastic though. You'd never know it unless you really touched it and felt it in your hands. It has a battery compartment on the back and a switch. Pretty simple. Got all the keys in front. You set it up on your laptop really quickly and easily. Turn on your settings on the laptop to detect the Bluetooth device. You flick this on, hold in this button for a few seconds, and it's connected just like that. Pulling up my calculator here, we can see. It just, it's a numeric keypad, bigger than probably what you would have on the laptop to begin with. And the nice thing about it is, it's something that's small and you can compact and you keep it in your bag with your laptop and take it out whenever you need it. If you don't need it, you don't need it, and you have a nice small laptop. But if you do need it, you just connect it really quickly. The other thing is, it's nice if you're left-handed. Laptops aren't made for lefty people, right? The keypad's always on the right side, but a left-handed person wants that to be on the left. So you can put it wherever you want. And for that reason, I think this is a pretty good buy. Great stocking stuffer. So, if it's that time of year, you're looking for a gift to give to somebody, check it out.